Today you've been learning about nouns that possess something. They're called possessive nouns. Possessing means to own something. The next activity you're going to do, you're going to have to determine what is being owned or possessed. So here's an example. The boy's socks went up to his knees. What is being owned or possessed? First of all, you have to think about who is owning something. Well, the boy is owning something. The boy owns his socks. The boy's socks. So socks is the noun that is being possessed. In the next activity, you're going to have a series of sentences where you're going to have to first find who is showing possession, what noun is showing possession, and then what are they owning. Do your best on it.